Now it's trying to push up again. Take it. Cameron, nice. Nine pips. Is it always first 30 minutes? Mainly, usually, the first 30 minutes is very important. The first 30, especially for the first US Open, at the first 3 minutes, it's very important. And then we take trades based on the trend, if the market goes in a trend. The US Open, look what US Open. It's so creepy, this Open. And there's no real direction. It's just jumping like a kangaroo, the same place. That's why at this point, going out from a trade, making profit with the trade and going out, it's much better than sticking to this trade. مثل ما شفتوا الماركت فتحته كانت سوبر خرافية ثقيلة، and كان ضروري انه نحن نكون عم نظهر نتريد على بروفيت، لانه ما بدنا نفوت بمتاهة طويلة عريضة ويقلب علينا، لانه ما اخذ دايركشن. يعني عاده بالليل بده ياخذ دايركشن يكمل، ما اخذ الدايركشن اللي نحن بدنا اياها.
ايه شبع كثير بشكل مش طبيعي.
True. I'm sending this on Telegram, the Telegram group on Forex Space and MNS. So far, result of today. We had an amazing day so far today, especially with GJ and now US 30, but I had small lot. I didn't took a big lot. US 30 first trade. Select all. You will see now, hopefully, when I send the weekly so far, what in my account in the week, you will see how much is important. It's only one red trade, only one red trade. And what's this one red trade? This is today something I didn't take in live. I took it personally, the US 30. So I didn't take this trade during the live, of course. I didn't send it even. It was a very small testing trade, very small. So it's something I took personally. Let's see. US Open still not super clear. We took our profit. We are still waiting now to see what will happen. And I will tell you how I put the lots. It's very important, guys, to understand risk management and the lots. How to really put lots in a very nice way. Look, this is so far today, okay? As you can see, why GJ? For example, you have GJ. I have two trades, and this one in the morning. So these some trades in the morning, it was like 0, for plus 42, minus 42, and plus 10 between commissions and things. It's 0. So in the morning, I didn't do anything between trades going in and up. But I stopped trading, and I waited till the afternoon until I saw an important trade on GBP JPY. I sent it on Telegram. Also, I put it on stories, on my story, and that I'm willing, with the divergence we have, to wait a break below the support, I will say it now, and take it. Because I was so confident in this trade, I increased lots. I entered like 2 trades. Okay, one trade was from 157.46.
Sorry to interrupt, but US 30 is gonna break up.
Oh, it broke already. So we'll have to wait for this. To be honest, I will have to wait. Let's see
There's
how
no
much
shadow yet.
I will have to wait for this. Let's see. خلينا نشوف. رح ننطر شوية ونرجع نشوف. Okay, thanks for saying. هون اللي عملناه بالسترلينيين took 2 trades. The first one, 157.46 at the start of the break above, and then after it broke, it was 57.35, and then took this profit like 15 pips, and this profit I let a run for this, and then I closed it not on 15, it was 0.403, but before I closed half lot. So I made my profits mainly in this, Why I increased lot, like almost 2 lots and a half, because I was much, much more confident in this trade. Now in the US 30, because the US Open wasn't really uh, يعني, wasn't really convincing, and still till now, because I'm not sure about the US 30 so far, it will resume and how it will resume. I took like a small lot here. It's 9 pips, like 9 till 9. It's almost 10 pips. It gave us 10 pips, not 9, 10 pips, but with a smaller lot. And these are positions added. These are profits added. And the most important part, guys, at the end of the day, at the end of the week, at the end of the month, how much money you are making, how much profit you are making. So this is your main focus. Yes, GJ, it was amazing today. We sent it on Telegram, I think. And it was like here. Look, I sent the full study and I was explaining like this is the entry here, and once it breaks below, you should take it. And this is here the divergence, CCI, divergence, RSI on 4 hours. So 4 hours, this means that's not a game, it's serious. And your stop loss should be above the 4-hour candle to be safe in this. And then it broke. What's the deal about it? Because we will see that it didn't, and this is very important. We must see that it didn't reach what? It didn't reach the real target. Huh? This is US 30. Oh, today US 30 is not nice. So look what happened. And that's why we always say, after 15 pips at least, you have to close half lot, you have to put your stop loss on entry and secure trades. And once you see it, and this is why you manage your risk on the 15-minute candle. So once you see that, okay, it got to 1705, it start to pull back again, you have to close the other trade to secure. The most important part is to secure money. أهم شغلة بهيدي البزنس إنكم تأمنوا مصاري. An amateur trader, a trader who's starting new in this business and has no experience, what he will do? Simply, he will wait to take profit to hit. He will keep his stop loss above. He will wait his take profit to hit, and then the market will reverse. And it happens. This is the market at the end of the day. So the market will reverse up, and then now he will be in a loss. And after being 30 pips in profits, now he will become in loss. And this is frustrating, guys. This is something that frustrates me. Seeing my study going in the right way, not locking profits, not closing my trade. Because when you go, for example, on 4 hours, you start managing your trade, you start managing your risk management at a lower time frame, and usually 30 minutes and 15 minutes. So if you didn't close at 15.07.05, at least if it goes here, this is the rejection, it opens with a small wick, and then it's moving up. If it breaks above 17.23.24, you have to close the trade. You have to secure the 10 pips that you got plus the 10.15 that you got the first time. So at this level, you divide your trade into 2 parts. First you lock your profit, and then you put stop loss entry. Once it reverse again, you close the full trade, you secure your trade, and you watch the market until you have another trade that you can secure. It's very important. And this is why our success rate is super high, because we don't get greedy in the market. We let runners run, but if the runners turn and they are going to against the way I want to trade, then I just close the runner and I wait for a better opportunity. And believe me, every single day there is an opportunity in the market, every single day. So don't rush your profits, but secure your losses. You secure not losing. This is what I mean. Not secure your losses like take losses. No, secure not losing. The minimum loss you must have, the maximum profit you must have, and then you are profitable and you will be profitable. Okay, guys? Bitcoin, flying Bitcoin. Yep. Bitcoin. BTC. Let's see. USA. US dollar. Ooh, super nice. super nice. It's taking our buy order, by the way, I think from the weekly overview. Can't go bro, securing profit, secure partial and trail stop. That's what I'm saying, Ali. Perfect. This is the right mindset. This is the right mindset if you want to succeed in this business. Always you have to secure money in your pockets. You have to reward yourself because you did a good study. You are in profits. You have to reward yourself. You have to take your profits. If you don't take your profit, then that. Let's see our lovely order in the weekly overview. Come on. Let's see. Not this. Let's see our order. What do we have? This one. It's by after wick 65 150. 65 150, 65 550. And we should be in, I think. Oh, and 550. Wow. Wow, TP1 hit directly. That's amazing, guys. Bitcoin hit directly, guys. TP1 hit. Nice, nice, guys. This is our weekly overview. Hopefully, you are putting these orders about the weekly overview. Wow. That, wow, 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 wow. Bitcoin hit. Nice. And it should resume, by the way. TP1, and it should resume up. Do you see how this business is science? Seriously, guys. Do you see how you make your studies easily? How you make your money easy? It's not easy like easy. You have to have the right system. It's not like that easy, yani, to make it easy. But why you will have a success rate, a high success rate? Because you just understand how it works and how the system works. Yes, 66K hit. That's perfect. That's perfect. Go Bitcoin. By the way, this Binance fund, guys, I'm so sorry for people who lost money in this fund, but I don't know why people they just trust other people. Yeah, and personally, my culture in this business now, of course, you secure this and stop loss is at entry, okay? When it comes to Bitcoin, so my main focus in general in life that you have to take care of your money. This is your money. This is no one's else money. This is your money. You took time to make this money. You didn't find this money I don't by the street. You didn't find this money. You didn't win it with lottery. Once you give it to someone or to some place, to sub fund, you must understand you and do all your due diligence. Where I am putting my money, with who I'm putting my money. Is it safe? How much is it safe? I'm not saying that crypto is not safe. No, at some point I have a wallet. I trade in Bitcoin, but is anything like safe? You have to check. Many people, they come to me. This crypto is amazing. This crypto is amazing. Perfect. Let me tell you something. Personally, I can open a crypto, call it, for example, I don't know, AU crypto, Alpha Universe crypto, and have a blockchain system included in a crypto way and say, look, this is 0.00001 and it will be 1 in the next 1 year. So start buying, guys. If I close my company, if I close what I'm doing, then all the money is gone, because all the people who invested in the AU token crypto, there is no AU token anymore, simply because there is no company anymore. So you must take care very carefully, and to take care from which coin you are buying, what is the technology behind it exactly, and is it like for example, I trust Bitcoin so far as Bitcoin, as trading, of course. I trust the way that Bitcoin works. Maybe some Ethereum, yani all these currencies, crypto, that they have history. A crypto without history, I cannot personally trade easily, trust easily. Maybe I'm wrong, but this is the way I think. Some people say, no, let's try it. if it hit like 10, 20, 100 times, we will be millionaires. Yes, you will. But if not, you will use your money. Okay, this candle, by the way, by GJ. This candle by GJ. This candle by GJ means, okay, if we break, oh, there is so much wicks. But usually, if we break this level, 157.60, it should resume at least 10 pips. If it breaks above, and this is something that happened in gold, by the way. This is something that happened with gold. Look, it happened with gold. Look, today, it was a great, by the way, move from gold. Look. This is it. Let's go back, as this is the educational session, guys. US 30, breaking up, no shadow. Obviously, the US 30 want to move up. But honestly, this is a selling zone area. I cannot trust to buy at this level. Now the volume is going down a bit, especially we are not at the US Open anymore. So I will just have to wait, securing my profits today, not really pushing to make a trade that might be not the right one for me. So GJ, I think it will break this level. I think it will break this level. The only problem that I have is these multiple shadows at the left, but it should go 10 pips once breaking this, to be honest. Look, we had this in gold. I will do this. Look, for example, when the market is going up and then you have this pose candle, I call it a pose candle. This pose candle, and this is in the candlestick trade, look. When the market open again, you put the resistance up. When the market opens again, it should resume up. Nice, 50 pips, 32 pips, 23 pips. Nice, guys. You are in the US 30. Nice, nice. Congrats. Congrats. This is how traders are done. Look, we'll see now how it will move. And check this. Oh, and then even if we don't have a shadow, if it goes up, this break of the support means that we still have a potential up. So we take an impulse entry at this level to move up at least 10 pips, at least 10 pips, and you secure your 10 pips. GJ. GJ, will it break up? $62 till $70. It's so tight. I think it will go up, but it's so tight. You have to be very careful if you take it. It must be very tight. 71, 61. 61, 71. Exactly. Oh, yes, 30 took the move. This is big, by the way, for the US 30. Wow. Shadow down, and now it's moving up. Shadow down, and it's moving up. All this area here. We are still moving toward this area. 35, 613 will be important. It will be an important level. From whomever then are in this trade, congrats so far. It's nice. Whoever is like this break. GJ. $30-minute candle. To be honest, if it breaks the GJ up the 61, I might go with a small lot buy. Not to ruin my profits today, at the same time to add profits if it goes like the next 9, 10 pips. Let's see. Let's see if it will break this level, because we have, look, here we have a sequence of low, higher low, higher low, higher low. At the same time, we have a 30-minute candle rejection. The problem that we still have 6 minutes. It's better usually to see the 6 minute how it will close. يعني كتير مهم إنه نشوف هاي الست دقايق كيف راح بتكون عم بتسكر. Sharif Abdullah, your system is amazing. I only following the rules. Yes, only follow the rules. There's no fucking way that you will lose money. There is no way. No way, guys. Be sure about this. If you take quality trades, if you really master the market and the system, there is no way you will lose. Your success rate will be at least around 90%. At least, which is the highest worldwide. There is no system easily giving these results. But let's see the 50 minutes. 15 minutes candle. We still have 5 minutes for the 15 minutes and 5 minutes for the 30 minute and 1 hour. Oh, we are at the close. Okay, perfect. Let's take the scenario. If the 1 hour candle close here and it opens, goes down for a wick, for a 1 hour wick, which is for me a liquidity grab, then if it keeps moving up and break the 61, I will be in with the GJ trade. Let us check what will happen. Now it's retracing. Look, it reached, look how delicate you must be while trading. It reached 157.60 and we didn't take the buy. 157.60 and look what now, it's going 8 pips down. It's very important to respect the rules of the system. Once you don't respect the rules of the system, you have higher probability, or your probability to lose is increasing, and you must be careful about this. Okay? Nice. I have been on these fuckers all day, made dollars on JER 30, US 30, and 4 price. Perfect, Cameron. Perfect, Cameron. Nice. That's amazing. Let's see. I think we will have a good move up. Now the market is breathing, especially after the big move of the US 30. 4 minutes, 30 seconds left till the close of the 1 hour candle, 30-minute candles, and 15-minute candle. Let's see. Let's see. This close will be important. This close will be important. By the way, are you checking Manara, guys? It's being nice for the last look. GBP, look about gold. Gold on Manara. Let's Owanda. Let's Owanda. Wanda. Yes. We had our, I think. Let's go. This is too much. 30 minutes. Fucking triangle. Let's see. Okay. In the 4 hour, we had this triangle breaking up, giving us an entry. Look, it was here at 1780. And what's really amazing that it went to 1788. Imagine, it's 8 pips, guys. 80 pips on gold. This is a signal given by Manara, and this is why Manara, it's very important, because once it goes at this level, of course you won't leave it going up, going down again without closing trades at 10, 15, 20 pips, half of your position, putting stop loss at entry, and keep the runners. And if it's breaking down again, you go to the 15-minute chart. You see that this is a rejection at this level, 1788, you have the resistance. It did a rejection, so you close at 1786. And this is called risk management. It's very important, guys, to have your risk management. You go on in a trade on a certain time frame, بتروحوا بتعملوا trade على time frame معين, and then you manage your risk at a lower time frame to secure your trade, and it's very important. AUD USD TP1 from Wells weekly over. Wow, this weekly overview, guys, is hitting so big this week. This week it's a blue weekly overview. Only just 2 trades, 10 pips, 13 pips, EU GU sell, and then we took back the buys with profits yesterday. on GU, EU at the same time, and all the others are fully profitable. What a blue week. 3 days so far. Okay, so this was the gold trade, and I'm checking always the Manara on gold. So far, I'm really satisfied from the result on gold. It's being really good, the result. GJ, wow, what a move down. 1 minute 26 seconds. Now, the same thing that I talked about for the 15 minutes, it applies for this 30 minute. If the candle open here, it moved down and then it break the high of 157.61, we are on a buy. We will be on a buy. Let's see. So let's finish this. This is very important. Never go back with a loss when you are in a profitable trade. If you go with a loss when you are in a profitable trade, this is your concern. This is your concern. And this is your problem. It's very important. So, GJ. Our focus now is on GJ. Let's see. US 30 so far, I'm not into any buy anymore. I will just wait to see how it will goes. ما تنسوا جايز كله بالعربي اليوم الويلث اوفر فيو. اذا بعد ما حضرتوها ولا مره ما عرفتوا شو الالفا يونيفرس بروجكت اللي عم نشتغل عليه، ميك شور تكونوا اليوم على الساعه 8 بتوقيت بيروت 9 بتوقيت دبي، ما تقفوا ابدا. It will be super great. ما تنسوا اليوم على الساعه 7 كمان بتوقيت بيروت رح ينزل التريدر ستوك. هذا تريدر ستوك بيحكي عن funded accounts. Many people are asking about funded accounts and funds and things like this. It will be at 7 p.m. Beirut time, 8 p.m. Dubai time. We will upload the trader stock. It's in Arabic. Do we have access to Manara? No. If you don't have the economy products in the future, you don't have access. So NZD USD is breaking up 60 minute. This is nice. This is a good trade. Next time, make sure to put your entry, your take profit, and your stop loss so we can manage. So usually the entry should be here, your stop loss should be here, but manage at this level, okay, at the same candle level. It's very important. Yeah, because you will check in the 60 minute here, you will go to the 30 minute and 50 minute, and you will have to manage based on the 30 minute and 15 minutes. You take your first 10 pips, stop loss at entry, and then you move forward with your trade. Okay. So let's see. New 30 minutes, new 1 hour. Let's see. Will we break the 1761 to GJ? Why to GJ? AUD USD. Let's see AUD USD. First camera background not Hassan. Yep. Let's see here. Weekly overview. AUD
رح
USD.
تفتح البلد بكره باستراليا سو بروبلي الاي دي رح يطلع.
AUD USD buy after wick 0.74. When I say buy after wick, يعني you have to wait until it does a shadow, a wick down, and then when it's going up, you buy. It's 0.7467 to 74.85 till 96, and then 25. 25. Yep. Yep. TP1 hit. TP1 hit. TP1 hit. Nice. And this is why look, it opened, it went down the first day, Monday. This is what I was waiting for. And then when it went down, after this, it's going up. It made a shadow. When we have a shadow on the daily, this means that if it opens with the shadow down, this means that we have also potential to move up after this. Always you have to secure, as we said, your take profit, your TP1, and then to keep runners for TP2 and TP3. I sell gold 1788 and stop loss entry 1745. شو رأيك؟ up YouTube guys, let's see. gold 1788 perfect. هلا ساعتها بدها تكون ستوب لوس تبعك على الانتري، وحتى نزلت فيها بالعكس عم تنزل فيها، صارت تحت على 1783 and you keep the runner down. 1745 1768 it will be first. من بعدها اذا كسر اكيد في عنده 1750، يعني هيدي نحن حاطينها اوريدي سيل اذا رجع كسرها بعدين. Okay, so we can check this. بدنا بليز اناليسيس على الجولد. تكرم يا وسيم. It's here. We did it. هلا شفناها بالمنارة كمان، هيدي قديمة بعتقد. So هلا الجولد عمل الرد تبعه. We will see if it breaks like 1774.73. We should have a clean traffic almost to 1771, which is almost 30 pips. Okay. Nice. It has been so far an amazing week. I'm so glad for this week, from this week. Dow, trying to resume up. Hopefully GJ also. Yalla ya GJ. Go on. Yeah, let's see. Thank you حبيبي عبد الله. You're welcome Adam. يعطيك العافية كمان. So guys, let me tell you something from now. 27 and 28 on 27 and 28 October. So I will be moving from my hotel to an apartment I took in Dubai. So this means that mainly there's high probability that we don't have a live stream. So I have to pack my bags and move, have a full move and check what I have to get and things like this. So it will be distracting for these 2 days. 27 27 شهر و 28 27 and 28 October mainly we won't have a live stream. Okay, but you can follow the weekly overview orders. At the same time, if I had some time, I will send some studies if there is time. Okay. Yes, 30. Manara, just call sell US 30. Bearish deep crab completely entry 35533. Sell on US 30. I prefer to wait. It's not clear for me yet. I prefer sniper entry at 35614. Sniper entry with a stop loss above, because you are after this stagnation. Okay, it's too much up. It's going too much up. At some point, it will go back down. I'm sure about this. But the idea that the momentum now is bullish, there is no problem going down. Let's see. US 30. US 30. Owanda. No. Owanda, yes, Owanda. Come on. Can you just, let's say, yeah, come on. US 30. Which time frame? Which time frame, Ali? كرمال الباي جي جي. This is for the buy جي جي. كمان في
جي جي طاير عم يطلع جي جي.
يلا perfect. يلا اوه جي جي. يلا. Let's get ready. جي 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 جي. It should resume up this time. We are still at the beginning of the candle and we should resume up. Let's see. We will have to wait a break. At the same time, on the 5 minute, oh my god, it's an ascending triangle. But on 5 minute, I hate the 5 minute. But on GJ on currencies. But yes, this is the 5 minute. We have an ascending triangle. 1, 2, 3, and it seems like everything is saying that GJ will move up. Everything is saying that GJ will move up. So the full target should be 57.77. Let's see. Let's see. Most probably we are moving up. And that's why a combination between lower time frame and higher time frame is nice. Let's see. But of course, I will wait a confirmation. We have to be patient in this. Yani, even if it doesn't hit or it goes back and we have our stop loss or something like this, at least we did the study in the right way. At least we follow the steps. At least we didn't take a trade while like out of excitement or out of what is this? Come on, GJ. Come on, GJ. Still moving up. USD. Still moving up. Ooh, Bitcoin also, guys. That's amazing. The best part in this game is to be an investor in Bitcoin, especially when it was down. Like the last retracement, 30,000. Like seeing your money going up, it's amazing. Actually, I like it more to invest more than to be a normal trader, like trading, having this on leverage. It's much better because you won't lose your money, especially if you follow the Hercules also about the dollar cost averaging, because I totally understand the strategy. It's really nice to have a certain, for example, يكون عندكم fund مثلا, I want to invest, for example, $5,000 in Bitcoin, but you don't throw this $5,000 directly in one entry. So you divide, you start dividing. I want to invest weekly, I want to invest daily, I want to invest monthly. So there is a certain amount you invest every week or every month or every day, which divide this, and then there is no way if the market goes down, you didn't get the top. So you are still able to get it down. Okay, I'm in for GJ trade. I'm in for the GJ trade. 1761, 157.61. Let's see. My stop loss will be below the candle. This candle, I will manage the risk at this level. It will be below this candle, so like around 10 pips, 11 pips. And I didn't go into full lot. I had a half lot just because I want to secure my profits today. Yani if it goes up, I will make more money. If it doesn't go up, I won't lose the profits I did today. Just a certain portion. US 30 is still moving up. Come on, GJ, there's no games here. It's so clear that you have to go up. But we need the volume. We need the volume. Let's see. We are moving up. Let's see. We need more volume. We are still in the US Open session, and now we are approaching for the London close session. Let's see how it will go. 4 pips so far. 4 pips profit so far. 5 pips so far. Let's see. Nice. Let's see. at 9 or 10 pips, I will be closing half lot and I will put stop loss and entry and keep the runners running. $67. We are 6 pips now. 6 pips. Keep moving up. Oh, 15 minutes. We have to be careful with the 15-minute candle. We still have 1 minute and a half to close. We need a more push up. Okay. Okay, that's nice. That's nice. That's nice. For now, I will never close this trade losing. After 7 pips, if the market goes up to goes down to my entry, I will close this trade. Oh, especially that this candle is closing. I closed half lot on 5 pips. I closed half lot on 5 pips. And we'll see the other part. If I hit entry, I will close it. Now we have the problem, the 15-minute candle, it should close in 30 minutes. So the problem I might face is the liquidity grab. So we might see a shadow moving down to this support. So let me be more serious about this. I will close this trade 5 minutes stop, 5 pips stop loss, like I did as if I didn't go into this trade. If the market goes down below 61, so it will be 57, 56, 157.56. It will be my stop loss, and I will keep the runner up. 157.56. It's 5 pips away from my entry. If the market keeps moving up, it will be nice. If it goes down, because it opens now without a shadow, فتح هلا استرلينيا بلا شادو، يعني عادة ممكن يعملها ويضل ساحب أوقات، بس إذا نزل لتحت رح كون عم بفضل إنه نسكرها. So the only problem now I have in GJ, we don't have a shadow down. We don't have a wick down. So we have a higher probability. Usually the GJ can go up now without a wick on 15 minutes. But mainly we might see it going down to form a wick. And that's why I secured half lot. And the half lot, I secured it at 5 pips profit. So my stop loss will be at 5 pips loss. So if it hits my stop loss, my trade, it will be at 4 pips, stop loss, in order to also gain the commission. So if it hits stop loss, as if I didn't enter this trade، يعني كأني أنا ما فت بهيدا التريد إذا ضرب لي stop loss تبعي. Gold is important. It could be a huge uptrend after it's down. Why not? لاحظوا. Now it seems it's going down to form the wick down. US 30 still trying to push up. At what level it will keep moving up? This is the question. GJ, we are still 5 pips in profits, but I'm sure that we will go down to make, يعني 80% sure that we might go down to form a 15-minute candle wick. So far we didn't form it, and I believe we should see the red in this candle. And here we are. Here we are. Okay. Wow. Is this a small cat? What? If this is small shadow, is this considered as shadow? No. This is too small to be a shadow. Okay. Now forming the wick. And now it formed a small wick. From now on, GJ can move up. And hopefully it will. Come on, GJ, be kind. It's just 10 pips we need. Come on. We are enjoying. For me, this is okay. Let me tell you something also. How to have a stress-free trade. When you make profits, always put in mind that I want to add profit to my old profits. So personally, if I am not trusting the trade, I reduce lots. And this is what I do in GJ now. I didn't go into 2 lots. I went like 0.8, يعني one, almost 1.3, and then it is closing. To be honest, I don't check how much. Only 0.6. I closed 0.3, and now I still have 0.3. As we said, it did the wick, and now it's preparing to resume its way up. This is how much you can understand this market. This is how much you can understand the move of a market. So let's see now. The most important part is to resume. Come on, GJ. I would love to close this trades with profit. Come on. Up. GJ moves. Oh, whoa. What is this? Okay, guys, I'm closing this trade. I closed this trade. Personally. Of course, you can leave it. I had the small 5 pips win. This is my result, adding. It's not that big, but we are adding. Knowing that, I believe it should keep moving up, but for me, it's enough for today. It is enough for today. GJ trade done, small lots. Oh, it's moving up. It's moving up again. Now it will resume up now. Else 2 times it did the shadow. Yes, you can stay in GG, of course. We are still moving up. Now GJ should resume its way up.
هاي عبد الله الياس.
الياس.
جي جي تنصحنا على ال 10 بيبس نظهر او بنترك رانر؟
10 pips and you can leave runner. اكيد stop loss بيصير at entry وفوقها you can keep runner. هلا انت فايت فيها 0.01 يعني؟
2
سكرت نصها؟
يب.
خلص حط ستوب لوس. حط ستوب لوس يضلك تركها تسحب.
ثانك يو عبد الله.
You're welcome. This trade I didn't make so much. The problem when I take like trade, the commissions is bad. Anyway. Commissions are bad. It should resume up now.
في volume أبدا.
The problem is the volume صراحة. The first time we handled it did a shadow and then it should have resumed up directly. But when it went down again for a new shadow, I prefer to go out. Okay, فهمنا. I had 0.3 close, 0.2 caps, still in profit. Nice camera. Perfect. As always, I was always told GBP is the biggest moving pair. Yes, it is actually, but sometimes there is no volume. That's why during our session, we work more on US 30 because the US market, the stock market in the US market is open. So GJ most moves, the nice move, it is during the London session. يعني from 9 a.m., 9 p.m., 9 a.m. Here, I don't know, GMT plus 3 until 3-4 p.m. until the US market is open, and mainly from 1 to 3 until the US market is open. I'm in Sydney, so London is good. Yes, Sydney. شريف صار عندك حدا بسيدني.
I'm in Melbourne.
Sharif in Melbourne. Cameron is in Sydney. We are growing the community in Australia. Nice.
Good stuff.
Let's see. Wow, what a volume. Zero volume, guys. That's why, by the way, I waited for the US 30. I wasn't that sure it will move down from this. Yeah.
Action country. Yeah.
Sure. Action country, yes. US 30 is still moving up. US 30 is still moving up. Manara, we had this signal to sell at 35. 567, stop loss at 35, 646. To be honest, I'm not in this trade so far because I still believe that we still have a small move for the US 30 up. But I will wait and see. What can help in this, if the US 30 on the 15-minute candle, it reverse and start moving down, breaking the support here, then it can be taken as a sell. But now after stagnation, I'm not really in for a sell, to be honest. But I will be once we reach the sniper entry. Wait. Where is this lovely sniper entry? أحي هيدي شو يا أحمد؟ معي أحمد أنت ولا ما نكون اليوم؟ Yeah, of course. We have to keep politics out, guys. This is trade.
انا اليو اس 30 ناطر يعمل لوك من تحت اوريدي. ها اعملها، ناطره يطلع شوي I will go in، ولا بنطره يكسر الهاي اضبط.
كباي ولا
ايه باي.
لا كباي تشوت بدك تنطر طيب يكسر وتشوف كيف بده يكسر هلا.
اوكي، هو لانه هلا ب this area the resistance area.
الاريا شوي ضياع.
اوكي.
Bitcoin here. Gold. GJ moving up again. Come on GJ, you're making fun of yourself.
عبد الله
Yes.
بس سوري، اذا فينا نشوف على الديلي تبع اليو اس بس في شيء كونفirmation، ما بعرف اذا مزبوطه ولا لا، اللي بسألك عنها اليوم امبارح شفتها،
اللي هي مين
اللي
معنا؟
هي شادي عم.
ايش هاد؟
اذا بتلاحظ امبارح سكر في البريفيوس ريزيستنس كانت سكر فوقه، يعني فوق الويكس. اوكي، هيدي كونفirmation، والصبح عمل شادو داون وضله طالع. فينا نعتبرها زي نحن سوينج.
امبارح ما سكر فوقه، انتبه، سكر هن فوقه، ما سكر فوقه، وصل عليهم ورد
على الديلي.
ايه على الديلي، وانا فاتح على الديلي بوجهك. ليك وينهم الشادوز؟ شايفهم؟ ليك وين هن؟ هول الشادوز. طلع ليك وين هن؟ ليك وين سكر؟ امبارح سكر هون فتح عمل الردة، هيدي المنطقة كلها هي سيل اريا، عمل الردة اليوم ورجع عم يكمل طلع. جي جي moving up. GJ moving up. NSD USD flying. Nice. Nice. NSD USD. We have buy after week 078 07080 then 95 95 25 70 80. Oh, GJ up. GJ up. GJ up. 80, yes. Also, TP1 is hitting at, let me check exactly. NZD USD 95. We still have 2 pips. But you can close it, guys. Even on 2 pips. But it will hit it. 94. 94. Nice. Nice. For me, it's amazing. GJ jumped up, guys. GJ jumped up. Almost 10 pips. 10 pips secured on GJ for whomever still. This is the problem of GJ. Stay stable, and then boom, it jump up.
عبد الله
Yes.
معك شادي.
Yes, Shadi.
باينه منيح مسكر الويكس كلهم، معقول
عم
في اختلاف.
تقطش كتير.
عم سامعني؟
Yes.
عم بقول على الام تي 5 مسكره فوق كل الويكس.
هي على MT5. هي هون كلها مش منا مسكرة، حطيت دايري أكيد.
مش فوق الويكس، فوق تسكيرة البريفيوس هول، يعني فوقهم مش فوق
لا
الويكس.
لا مسك إيه فوق مش فوق الويكس، ما هي المشكلة. مش
سوري
فوق،
فوق
هي بدك إياها فوق الويكس. wait for a second بس أعطيني شوي. أوكي TP1 hit in NZD USD. NZD USD كمان اليوم نار. let's see هون إذا بدنا ناخذ شي سنايبر انتري على الداو. 5 minutes. 35,604. طلع واحدة من ال 35,000.
عبد الله
وي
الويكلي اوفر فيو الاوردر تبع اليو اس 30 بعده فاليد
يس. كل الاوردرات فاليد ما بنشيلهم نحن، بس هلا فيكم تفكروا فيهم اكثر. يعني اذا شفته طالع هالطلعه كلها وما في فوليوم فيك تشيله وتنطر تيسكر الكاندل، تشوف من بعدها كيف بده يفتح. يعني منك مضطر تحطه مثل ما هو. هلا انا بقول للعالم اللي بدهم يحطوه مثل ما هو، للعالم اللي ما عندهم وقت يتابعوا الماركت، يعني بيجوا بيحطوا الاوردرات ساعه بالجمعه كلها، بيشوفوا نهار الجمعه شو صار معهم.
ديل
لا ما في اسهل من هيك. كمان اوه we needed the sniper entry. Don't go down. GJ flying, guys. Not even 10 pips only. It's going to the full target. ما سكرت على 10 بيب. ايه الياس.
بصراحة بحكيك كان كبني برا اوريدي، يعني ضرب لي الانتري.
انتري؟ اي انتري؟
دغري عم حطه كثير كلوز، فيري تايت عم حطه.
يا برو ما تحطه هالقد تايت، حطه تحت مطرح ما كان. ليش عم تحط هالقد قريب؟
I had to you know that.
شو خاص كلها نص دولار تكون. anyway NZD flying. اوه NZD USD 0.72. wow. Bitcoin 63,439. wow, what an amazing day. اليوم مش معقول. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, huge days. This week is phenomenal, guys. This week is amazing. عن جد. Cameron still in GJ. Yes, perfect. You have 0.1, you said. You're still having a runner, but be careful. It should make a wick. Okay? It went up directly without a wick. But the trend is still bullish. Trend is still bullish. US 30. US 30. US 30. This was the trade Ali sent us on Manara. and that's why I didn't sell. Of course, guys, you don't have to be robots, okay? You have to check. You have to know and understand how nice Manal 100 pips on US 30, nice. You have to understand and to check the market. If the market is very bullish so far, even though you have a signal about entry 35, I don't go into it. But so far it didn't hit stop loss. So we have the opportunity to go back down and to hit the take profits. Bitcoin 60, nice. What a day. Bitcoin, next target for us for Bitcoin 66,200. Oh my God, TP2. TP2 66,200. TP2 hit on Bitcoin. TP2 hit on Bitcoin. TP3 will be 67,140. Wow, 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 wow. Can you see, guys, the system? Can you see the best system that you have in this community? Nice. Let's see AUD by the way. AUD ضرب شيل، بعتقد ضرب ال TP2. نشوف نتأكد. لا والله بعد. وين ال TP2؟ لأنه بعد أنا بعد ما شفتها. TP2 75. Okay, 25. Okay. Yep. GJ still moving up. Still 77. 77. 16 pips so far. 16 pips so far. No wick. سحب. بس سكرناه أخو الهيك والهيك. Anyway. قاعد يلعب ساعتين تسكرناه. بسيطة. بزيادة. GJ. Flying. Still flying 20 pips. واو اخذ المومنتوم هلا. قاعد يلعب ساعتين علينا هلا اخذ المومنتوم. معقول؟ بصدق. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Still Bitcoin still. Okay, guys. So this is it for today. Thanks for this amazing session, for being here, everyone. So it's done for today. We had a very good session today. Between weekly overview, between live sessions, it's being amazing. Between some trades sent during the day, so it's nice. Don't forget, guys, weekly overview. It will be at 8 p.m. Beirut time, 9 p.m. Dubai time. Thank you, everyone. Make sure to revise this session if you want to know how to trade in the right way. And يعطيكم العافية جميعا. بشوفكم على الساعة 8.